Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to our channel. Today is October 22nd, 2025, and this is your daily Nasdaq futures recap. Market overview. It was a fairly quiet news day overall. The only major data came from crude oil inventories, and later in the afternoon, we had the 20-year Treasury bond auction at 1 p.m. Then at 4 p.m., Fed Vice Chair Barr gave a few remarks. After the close, everyone was waiting for Tesla's earnings, one of the most anticipated reports of the week. Overnight session, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. The market opened higher at 6 p.m. on October 21st, recovering from yesterday's Netflix-related pullback. Our swing robot closed its short position and flipped long to kick off the new session strong. Around 8 p.m., momentum faded and the market began to dip. Our robot quickly switched from long to short. As Asian markets opened, volatility picked up and Nasdaq dipped further. But by 9:30 p.m., buyers stepped back in and the system reversed again into a long position. From there, the uptrend strengthened. By midnight, that long trade was up about $100 in unrealized profit. The rest of the night stayed calm and steady. Morning session, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. The morning started quietly, but around 7 a.m., Nasdaq began to slide. Our robot closed the long for a small loss and switched short, only to flip back to long at 8:15 a.m. as the market found support. Heading into the open, futures climbed toward 25,280. Then came the 9:30 a.m. open. And right away, selling pressure hit the market as Netflix and Apple sold off again. Our system closed the long and went short, catching a nice downward move with over $100 in unrealized gains. But volatility was wild. By 9:35 a.m., a quick rebound triggered a switch back to long, which failed again at 10 a.m., flipping short once more. By 10:30 a.m., Tesla and Nvidia were tumbling, and Nasdaq broke down hard. Our short position captured over $200 in open profit. Then, just before 11 a.m., the market snapped back up. Our robot locked in the gains and went long, bringing realized profit to around $50, with more unrealized gains on the new position. At 11:25 a.m., after a series of quick trades, realized profit had built up to around $280. Then came a big headline. Google dropped as rumors spread that OpenAI might be launching a new web browser. The tech sector wobbled, and between 11:30 and noon, our system had a choppy stretch, giving back about $100. By 12:30 p.m., Nasdaq slipped to 24,875, where our short closed in profit. Then the system flipped long for the rebound. As the market climbed back to 25,000, that long built over $160 in open profit before closing around 12:40 p.m., locking in gains and pushing realized profit to about $400. A couple of quick losing trades followed, trimming it back slightly. Typical midday chop before the afternoon session. Afternoon session 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The afternoon started sideways, with the system scalping small moves in a narrow range. Realized profit hovered around the mid-$200. At 1:15 p.m., the market edged lower. Short position on. Then at 1:30 p.m., a reversal flipped it long again. From 1:30 to 2 p.m., a few small losing trades hit. But by 2:30 p.m., the market was recovering, and the long position showed over $130 in open profit. By 3:30 p.m., Nasdaq had climbed to around 25,050, with the system's long position holding nicely in the green. At 4 p.m., the futures settled near 25,020, and the day ended with a total realized profit of about $300. After more than 10 trades and 23 hours of non-stop activity. After our session. Once the closing bell rang, Tesla reported earnings slightly below expectations. The stock jumped briefly, then fell back. Our robot caught a quick long trade right after 4:05 p.m. and closed it 5 minutes later with a small profit as the market cooled off. Summary. Overall, it was a down day for the Nasdaq, dropping roughly 250 points as the mega-cap tech names Tesla, Nvidia, Google, and Netflix weighed on the index. Despite the choppy action, our swing robot algorithmic system stayed disciplined and adaptable, trading purely on price action by following its rules, cutting losses quickly and taking profits when they appeared. It finished the day up over $308, proving once again that consistency beats emotion. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoy these daily algorithmic trading recaps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more updates on the Nasdaq futures and our trading journey. See you all tomorrow.